What's up, guys? It's been too long since I've touched base on my 10-foot sign, and here we go. I started to put some of the lights in, and today we're gonna finish it because this project has been lasting too long, and I feel like I can finish it in a short amount of time. So let's get into it. So the progress that I've made so far is installing a light controller, an LED controller, and also installing these LED strips that can be controlled into the 3D printed sign. And I also added some reflective tape, some like heating and cooling tape into the inside, and trying to make there be no dead spots. But as you can see, I have to go back and fix some spots. But let me go ahead and turn the lights off, and I'll show you some of the cool features it does. The thing is that there's all these effects to go through. So, you know, like the first one is Android, so you can see, you know, it does this cool pattern. There's also options on the app here, you know, if you want to speed it up or slow it down, or the different length. Let's try Android again. I'll turn the fire up, so you can see like it only did it the one time. You can try Aura, and just, you know, Chase is a cool one too. And again, while that's going, you know, I can hit rainbow and change the colors. And here's all the colors now, so like I can hit maybe Candy 2. You know, it just gives you different options that you can choose from. And updates it automatically. So this is, you know, why I wanted to go with this, because I can, you know, really get some attraction with this, I think, with having this do all the different colors and having it set up for night markets, and then also running lights like those along the booth and everything too. So also this setup wasn't super expensive. Already knowing how to 3D print all this stuff, just designing it and doing it all myself, you know, I don't think there's a huge amount invested in here, but it's going to look super cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing finished. And here we go, guys. The whole Comiska's all done, wired up. I'll see you for day 2.